Hi, I'm Danielle Gagne from Commercial UAV News, and today I am joined by Daniel Fuller, Technical Business Manager for the Americas. How's it going today?
Very good. Thank you very much.
So tell me a little bit about how your experience has been here at the expo.
Expo's been really good. There's a lot of interest in product out there, and we're getting a lot of interest on the lidar and the capabilities with autonomy.
That's fantastic. And can you tell us a little bit about HoverMap and Emesent and how it all got started?
So Emesent was founded 2 years ago. It came out of a group out of Australia called CIRO, where for the past 10 years prior to that, they were developing the capabilities of HoverMap. And so 2 years ago, the founders broke out and separated and began to commercialize the capability. So since then, they've been introducing and developing the capability. And this year, we're now starting to have employees and operations in the U.S.
So can you tell me a little bit about HoverMap and its capabilities, and what are some of its use cases?
Sure, yeah. So HoverMap's capabilities, it's a SLAM-based LiDAR system, simultaneous localization and mapping. That's what it stands for. And so it has the ability to create maps as well as allow navigation of the aerial platform. And so it provides, with the platforms that we've integrated onto, the ability to fly in a GPS-denied environment as well as without any communications with the operator. It will find its way through the space and bring back a map that is measuring accurate of the environment. The use cases are very varied. We have a really deep mine experience, given where they are in Australia and the connections they've had there. That's where a lot of the autonomy has really shined and had a great effect. So there's a lot of underground spaces. We're finding a lot of use cases above ground in inspections, creating digital twins, building information systems, BIM models, and those types of things as well, because of the versatility of the system to fly and then take it off the aircraft in about 30 or 40 seconds, and then I'm hand carrying it, and I can walk through the building with it.
It's really fantastic that you have that kind of versatility. So can you talk about, you started in Australia, but I understand that you're pretty global. What are some of your plans and long-term goals for getting Emesent out there to the rest of the world?
Sure. Yeah. So yeah, that is a company based in Brisbane. This year we've added two of us here in the U.S. for business development, and that team is growing now that we're getting more present here, and we are hiring more and looking for facilities, repair facilities, and warehousing and stuff like that in the U.S. to serve the Americas. We also are doing a similar build out in Europe for that part of the world over there to better serve the customers there and help with the time zone challenges of a Brisbane-based location.
Yeah, in conversations with Emesent over in Australia, I definitely understand that. So what's current with Emesent? I know you just had a major press release, and what's that about, and what does the future look like?
Sure, yeah, good, thank you. So yeah, the big release was the addition of the autonomy and the heavy integration together with the Acecore Zoe platform. That brought the abilities that we've had on the DJI products into a blue cubed autopilot system that is based out of the Netherlands. So now we have multiple platforms that can reach different customer sets that are sensitive to different locations of origin, and provide just different capabilities there. We are working towards having more platforms, so we're working with some U.S.-based drone manufacturers as well to kind of bring more options.
That's really exciting, especially as people start to diversify what they're looking for in a drone, to be able to see that be able to integrate so well with different platforms. Thank you so much for joining me today, and it's been a pleasure.
Thank you very much for your time.